Hey class, it's me, Mrs. B again. I just wanted to give you some more tips and tricks about how to actively and to make the most out of this Arctic Academy experience. So, one thing is that you need to find a good spot for you to learn and be successful in the activities that you have to do. So, right now, currently, I'm sitting in a chair. If you need to sit on the ground, go ahead. If you want to sit in your bed and that makes you feel comfortable and that helps you work best, go ahead and do that. If you're working with a friend, make sure that you both are collaborating together the best. And if you're getting help, that is totally okay. Another thing, make sure when you are commenting and asking questions on the Google Classroom page that it is appropriate for school. This is a school day. And make sure also that if you have any questions, please let me know and ask using the Google Classroom page, or your parents can message me on Blooms. And you can also email me. The email is in the Google Classroom page. Tomorrow I will be messaging you all about which book you're supposed to be reading for the days to come for Arctic Academy. And remember to hit the file button and make a copy for the reading activity. Okay, that's all I've got for right now. Thanks guys. I miss you. Bye.